Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Very good, very nice.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, each one of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Okay, everybody has their SST books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am.
Now today we are going to just do the reading. Each one of you will read a paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's make it a reading class today. Open your books to page number 77.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Page number 77. Pratishta, start reading from the first paragraph. Northern Mountains.
The Northern Mountains. In the northern part of India lies a huge mountain range called the Himalayas. The Himalayas have some of the highest mountain peaks in the world. These mountain peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. The highest mountain peak is Mount Everest in Nepal. Some of these states of India that are located in this region are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and the northern part of West Bengal. The Union territories located in this region are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.
Okay, Dhwani, continue better. Pratyush Gaur, mute yourself. Yes, read, Dhwani. Start reading.
Ma'am, I can't hear Dhwani.
Yes, Dhwani, you are too low. The volume maybe is not adjusted properly.
Can I read?
Wait, beta, everybody will get a chance today.
The
Try once again.
lower regions are very cold in winter, while the summer are cool. Tourists visit hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital, Shillong, and Darjeeling in the summer. In the hilly regions of the northern mountains, evergreen trees such as pine, larch, and firs are found. In the lower regions, trees such as deodar, pine, medicinal plants, and orchids are found. The hilly areas grow a variety of fruits such as oranges, apple, and pears. Wheat, maize, and potatoes grow here.
Okay, very good. Om Agarwal will read now.
Okay, ma'am. Northern Plain. At the foothills of the Himalaya are the many flatlands called the Northern Plains. Many rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indus, and the Sutlej flow through this area, the region is also the Indo-Gangetic Plains. The river Brahmaputra flows through the flatland in uh, southward to Bangladesh before flowing into Bay of Bengal. The river brings with them a fine soil called silt that makes the soil fertile. This
Okay,
is
beta. That's
very
all. That's all. Very good. Akshat Sahu, read the same paragraph, beta. Unmute yourself first.
Northern plain. At the foothills of the mountains, Himalayas are the flatland called the Northern Plains. Many rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the India,
Indus.
Indus, and the
Satluj.
Satluj flow
Through
through
these
uh,
areas.
yes, the region is also called the
Indo-Gangetic. The region is also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains.
The river Brahmaputra flows
through
the flatland in Asia,
in Assam, southwards
to
Bangladesh.
Before following into the Bay of Bengal.
Beta, before flowing into, not following, flowing into the Bay of Bengal.
The river
The rivers bring with them
a fine called
fine soil called silt that makes the soil fertile.
This is
That's all, beta, that's all. Just speak that makes the soil fertile. Okay, next Summer, continue.
This is very good for growing crops and fruits. Many people live in these plains. Trees such as peepal, banyan, neem, shisham, and eucalyptus grow here. The plains are usually very hot in summer and very cold in the winters. Crops like wheat and rice are grown here.
The northern mountains are thickly populated. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Assam are located in this region.
Next, Pratyusha Singh.
The desert. The northwestern part of India is dry and sandy. This region gets a little or no rainfall, hence hardly anything grow in this area. This region is also called Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. It is very hot and dry in the summer and very cold in the winters. There are not too many people living in this desert region. The desert includes most of Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. The Indira Gandhi Canal was built by the government to bring water from rivers in Punjab to the Thar for agriculture, cotton, oil, seeds, and mom, what is written this?
Seeds and millets.
And millets are grown here. When the wind blows, it carries sand from one area to another, forming mounds of sand. These are known as sand dunes. The vegetation growing here includes cactus and, ma'am, what is it in this?
Acacia.
Acacia.
That's all. Okay,
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
Who will read? The ones whose videos are on. Devansh Chaudhary. Devansh Chaudhary is left to read. Devansh Chaudhary, beta, are you sleeping in the class? Yes, he's sleeping actually. Children, if you want to read, you have to put your cameras on. I don't understand why are you sitting with your cameras off in the class.
I'm having data problem.
Okay, Adrika, read.
Ma'am, the Peninsular Plateau.
Yes.
The Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau have three parts. The Malwa Plateau, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, and the Deccan Plateau. Many rivers flow through the Deccan Plateau. The Krishna, the Kaveri, the Mahanadi, and the Godavari flow from the west to the east. The Narmada and the Tapi flow from the east to the west. This region is rich in minerals. Cotton is widely grown here. It is very hot in the summer and cold in the winter. The Satpura and Vindhyas are the two hill ranges that separate the Deccan Plateau from the northern plains. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by water on three sides and the northern plain on one side. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Telangana are the states of this region. A variety of trees grow here depending on the amount of rainfall the region receives. Only shrubs, forests, and
Broad.
broadleaf trees are found in some regions.
Very good. Anjali Saxena, read the same paragraph better. The Peninsular Plateau. Start from the beginning.
The Peninsular Plateau has three parts: the Malwa Plateau, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, and the Deccan Plateau. Many rivers flow through the Deccan Plateau. The Krishna, the Kaveri, the Mahanadi, and the Godavari flow from the west to east. The Narmada and the Tapi flow from the east to west. This region is rich in minerals and cotton is widely grown here. It is very hot in
summer and cold in winter. The Satpura and the Vindhyas are two hill ranges that separate the Deccan Plateau from the northern plains. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by water on three sides and the northern plains on one side. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Telangana are the states of this region. A variety of trees grow here depending on the amount of rainfall the region receives. Thorny scrub forests and broadleaf trees are found in some regions.
Okay, very nice. Now Ridyansh Saxena is going to read the
Okay,
coastal
ma'am.
region.
The coastal region, the Deccan Plateau is bordered by the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. The eastern coastal plain lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. It is neither too hot nor too cold here. The four major rivers that the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Ka-
Kaveri.
Kaveri flow through this region. This region is suitable for rice cultivation. Therefore, it is also called the rice bowl of India. These rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal. The climate is hot and humid. It
Humid,
is
hot and
humid and
humid. Yes.
humid in summer and winter is mild. The southern part of this region receives rain during winters. The hilly regions are colder than plains. Next paragraph.
No, that's all. Mehul. Mehul will read now.
Okay. The islands. There are two groups of islands in India: the Andaman and the Nicobar Island, the Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. The main crop here is rice, coconut tree, and many evergreen trees with woody climber and found here. Orchards and a variety of vines are also found here. The islands have a hot and humid weather. Winter are mild. These regions are very sensitive and attract many tourists.
These regions are very scenic and attract many tourists. Now, who is left? Arushi Gangar is left to read. Let's start from the beginning. The northern mountains.
Northern mountains. In the northern part of India lies a huge mountain range called the Himalayas. The Himalayas have some of the highest mountain peaks in the world. These mountain peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. The highest mountain peak is Mountain Everest in Nepal. Some of the states of India that are located in this region are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and the northern part of West Bengal. The Union territories located in this region are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The northern mountains can be divided into the
Beta, that's all. That's all. That's all. Devansh Chaudhary. Devansh, you're feeling very sleepy today? Devansh Chaudhary. I don't know in what rhythm he is today. Okay, now who is going to read? Mohammad Imad. Mohammad Imad is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read beta.
Ma'am,
Page number 77, second paragraph. The northern mountains can be divided.
northern mountains. In the northern part of India lies huge mountains.
Beta, next paragraph.
The northern mountains can be divided
Yes.
into Shivalik range and the lesser Himalayas and the greater Himalayas. Some of the hills in the northeast are Mizo Hills, the Khasi Hills. During winter, the lower regions are very cool while the summer are cool. Tourists visit hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital,
Shillong,
Shillong, and Darjeeling.
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling. In the summer, in the hilly regions of the North Mountains, evergreen trees such as pine, larch, and cypress are found in the lower regions. Trees such as deodar, steel pine, medical plants, and uh,
Orchids.
orchids are found. The hilly area grows a variety
The hilly areas grow a variety.
The hilly areas
Grow a variety
of such as oranges, apples, and pears, wheat, maize, and potato grow here.
Okay, very nice. Devansh Chaudhary, can you listen to me? But I'll remove you from the class. Okay, it's time to remove Devansh Chaudhary from the class since he is not replying. Beta, if you don't want to be removed, please reply in just a minute. Don't take even a minute. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think his microphone is muted.
No, it's muted, but he can listen to me. He should unmute it and then speak. Devansh, you're not unmuting yourself, beta. Okay. So you need to be removed now. Yes, who else now is left to read? Bhavishya Gaur. Bhavishya Gaur is left to read. Bhavishya, are you there? Bhavishya is not there. Even he will be removed. Pratyush Gaur, are you there?
Ma'am, Pratyush and Bhavishya Gaur both are there.
Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyush Gaur, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your video on. Okay, now Pratyush, you have to read. It's your turn to read. Do you know where he is reading? Pratyush Gaur, are you aware of what's going on in the class? Yes or no? No. What are you doing? Where is your SST book? Show it to me. Students like Bhavishya Kaur, Pratyush Gaur, you people just enter the class to show that you are attending the class, but actually you're not attending the class. This behavior of yours will force me to talk to your parents. Is this how you attend, beta? Is this how you attend your classes? Can you see other students who are attending it so well? Next time, this kind of a behavior would really force me to remove you from the class. Bhavishya Gaur, are you there? Bhavishya is not there. He's not replying. I have to
Yes, ma'am.
put your video on. It's your turn to read now. Do you even know which chapter we are reading today?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading. Bhavishya Gaur, start reading.
From the desert.
Are we on the deserts? You have to read from northern plains.
Ma'am, Bhavish Kaur has taken left.
Divyanshu Dev is going to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyanshu Dev.
At the foothills of the Himalayas are the flatlands called the Northern Plains. Many rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indus, and the Sutlej flow through these areas. The region is also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains. The river Brahmaputra flows through the flatland in Assam southwards to Bangladesh before flowing into the Bay of Bengal. The river brings with them a fine soil called silt that makes the soil fertile. This is very good for growing crops and fruits.
Okay, that's all. Okay, children, how many of you have submitted your copies in the school?
Ma'am, can I also read?
Wait, Ishika, wait.
Can I
Anjali,
read?
Saxena, and Summer. And nobody else?
Ma'am, I am out of station. Ma'am, can I read?
I
Ma'am,
got,
can I
yes,
read?
Arushi. Only 3 students from this class have submitted their copies.
Ma'am,
Children,
I am
didn't
out
you?
of station.
Okay. I got the copies yesterday. I got them corrected. Now today I'll be returning your copies to the school. You have to come on Sunday and pick your copies. Now, what
Ma'am,
you
we
have...
have to come with our parents on
No.
Sunday.
Nobody, sorry, anybody from your house can come and pick the copies.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, all the copies?
Yes, beta, all the copies. You will pick them back on Sunday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, on this Sunday which is coming.
Yes, beta, on this Sunday. Day after tomorrow. Okay. Now, children, what you... Okay, Ishika is left to read. Bhavishya, where did you disappear when you were told to read? Ishika Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Many, page number
Ma'am,
77,
the
last
desert.
word. Page number 77, the last word. Many. Now, Bhavishya, just mute yourself. Ishika, have you found it? Ishika?
Ma'am, where?
Ma'am,
Better wait. Everybody wait. Page number 77. Have you opened page number 77?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the last word in the bottom? Many. Just the last line,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
last word. Read from there.
Many
Now turn the page.
rivers and
Many people.
like
Beta, turn the page after many. Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Now read.
Many people live in these plains. Many people live in these plains. Trees such as people, banana, neem,
Banyan. It's banyan.
banyan, neem,
Shisham.
shisham, and
Eucalyptus.
eucalyptus grow here. The plains are usually very hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. Crops like wheat and rice are grown here. The northern plains are thickly populated. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Assam are situated in this region.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Now, Bhavishya is there? Yes, Bhavishya. Now read from the desert.
yes, ma'am.
Read from the desert.
The northwestern part of the India dry and sandy. This region get little or no rainfall. Hence, hardly anything grow in this area. This region is called the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. It is very hot and dry in summer and very cold in winter.
There are
There are not too many people living in desert region. The desert includes most of Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat. The India, the Indira Gandhi Canal is built by the government to bring water from the river in Punjab to the Thar for
agriculture.
agriculture, cotton, oil, seed, and
Millets.
millets or grow here. When the wind blows, it carries sand from one area to another, forming mounds of sand. The These are known as sand dunes. The vegetation grown here includes cactus and
Acacia.
acacia.
Yes, that's all. Now, everybody take out your copies. And those who don't have their copies, just take out a rough page. We are going to write all the difficult words from this chapter. It is for your practice to learn these spellings, children.
Ma'am, we have to write this in fair copy.
You can write it in your fair copies. Write chapter 12, difficult words. Those who don't have their fair copies can write it on a piece of paper or in their rough copies. Ready? Those who are ready, please show me a thumbs up.
Ma'am, I'm just taking my notebook from my study table.
Okay. 1 and 2 and 3. 3 students are ready. 4, 5. Yes. 6.
Me too ready.
Yes. 7.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ma'am, ready.
8, 9, 10.
I'm ready.
11.
Ma'am, ready.
Good. Now, the first word is, have you written, all of you have written difficult words, chapter 12? The first word is plateau.
Ma'am, the first word is plateau.
Yes, the first word is plateau. Everybody see in the chat box. What have you written the spellings of plateau? Everybody check. Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Many of you must have made a mistake, I'm sure. Those who have made a mistake, honestly, just cross it and move to the next word. Okay, you have to be very honest with yourselves. The next word is acacia.
Ma'am, what?
Acacia. We have in desert region, the vegetation includes cactus and acacia.
Yes, ma'am. We have written this time.
I'm written.
Written?
Ma'am written. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written this?
Ma'am, written. Yes.
A-C-A-C-I-A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who has not written this? Tell me honestly.
Ma'am, I have written this one.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay. Then the next word is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. Nobody will look into the book.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Many have not written this. Eucalyptus.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Ma'am, it's correct.
Okay. How many of you
Ma'am,
have got
correct.
it wrong?
Ma'am,
Very
it's
good.
correct.
Very nice. Pratishtha is confessing that it's wrong.